In today's video, I'll show you how to update your phone number in Microsoft Teams. This is helpful if you've recently changed numbers or need to keep your contact details up to date for security and account recovery. Let's go through the steps together. Start by opening Microsoft Teams. In the top right corner of the screen, click on your profile icon, which shows either your photo or your initials. This will open a menu with several account-related options. From this menu, select My Microsoft Account. This will take you out of Teams and redirect you to the Microsoft Account website, where all of your personal and security information is managed. Give the page a moment to load completely. Once you're on the Microsoft Account dashboard, look to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Your Info. This section contains your personal details, including your name and contact information. Under Your Info, find the Account Info section and click Edit Account Info. This will open the area where you can manage your phone number and other important contact details. If you don't currently have a phone number linked to your account, click Add Phone Number and enter your new number. If a phone number is already listed, select Change Phone Number and replace it with your updated one. After completing these steps, your phone number will be successfully updated. Keeping this information current helps ensure you receive security alerts and can recover your account if needed. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.